Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everybody, I'm Ananda Naila. I study in Min 5 Kota Banda Aceh. And today, I want to tell you how I speak English and about me. So the first thing that I want to say is about me is I have two other sisters that can speak English. And do you want to know how to speak English? My dad teach me when I was a baby. He teach me until now because my dad always motivate me to speak English and help me like reading, writing, and doing something like that. And my dad always say, if you want to make something perfect or you want to have a better life, you have to always practice. Because practice makes perfect. That's what my little sister said. Well, I study at Min 5, and when I'm at school, they always ask me about how do you speak English? So like I said, my dad teach me since I was a baby, and he doesn't want me to speak Indonesian a lot because he really wants me to speak English super well. And I was thinking maybe I want to try to be like him. He went to abroad without paying any money. He go here, he go there, he go to England, he go to America, he go to a lot of places without paying any money. He sleep, he eats, and he go with the airplane without any money. I never go abroad yet, only 2 times. I go to Malaysia and Singapore. And I feel really happy because I only go to 2 places. But I really want to go somewhere else that my dad never go. And I was thinking, what if I try to do like my dad? But I also I do have 54 writing in Anak Cerdas magazine, and I also have 200 or more videos in YouTube. You can check it out in Anak Cerdas magazine. And I have a lot of thought videos live on Facebook, on my dad's Facebook. I always helping my dad selling the products from the shop, and I said hey guys, like that, how talking about the stuff. And so you can go to the shop at Bakri Gallery in Jalan Besar Al Hashim Pangarap Banda Aceh. And yeah, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.